Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to use Google Trends to show a graph. So first thing that you will do is simply go to trends.google.com, and this will be their homepage, and just simply go for the explore over here. And now here on the explore, guys, just simply add a search term in order for you to show a graph. So let's say the search term will be Pinay, and after that just simply enter. And after that, as you can see, this will be the graph for this keyword over here. And now let's say I'm going to compare it into Filipina, and from here I'm going to select enter. And from here, guys, as you can see, we have more searches for this keyword over here than the Filipina. And now you could go for the location over here, guys, and pretty much you could go for worldwide, and you will have here a better view. And you could select the time frame as well, the category, and the web search or YouTube search over here. So this will be depending on you, and pretty much this will be the graph for you. And you could add another keyword based on your preferences, and you should be able to have this graph. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and if you have any questions, simply comment down below, and thanks for watching.